Shri Bhagwati, manufacture customized wad inserting machine. A wad inserting machine is a piece of equipment commonly used in the packaging industry, particularly in the pharmaceutical, food, and beverage sectors. Its primary function is to insert wads or seals into containers, such as bottles, jars, or tubes, to provide tamper-evident or leak-proof sealing. Here's how a typical wad inserting machine works. Feeding. The machine typically starts with a feeding mechanism that supplies the wads or seals to the insertion station. Wads can be made of various materials like foam, paper, plastic, or aluminum foil, depending on the application and sealing requirements. Container handling. The containers to be sealed are loaded onto a conveyor belt or other handling mechanism, which brings them to the insertion station. Insertion. At the insertion station, the wad is precisely placed into the opening of the container. This can be done using mechanical arms, vacuum suction, or other methods depending on the design of the machine. Wad inserting machines vary in size, capacity, and level of automation depending on the specific needs of the packaging operation. They are essential for ensuring product safety, integrity, and compliance with regulatory requirements, especially in industries where tamper-evident packaging is critical. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.